Hello, my name is Mike Higgins, and I'm very excited to be part of the Aseptic Conference Planning Committee for 2 years in a row. As you know, this conference brings many industry thought leaders together, especially during this critical time. On day 2, we will have a series of workshops on hot topics that are most relevant to our industry, with one being Annex 1. As you know, Annex 1 has undergone a major revision within the last 2 years. This workshop will focus in on some of the challenges and opportunities that we face. Some subtopics that potentially will be covered during this workshop will be the application of QRM principles, as well as some inspectional approaches and challenges that we face as an industry. So again, I hope you consider attending one of 3 sessions, and I expect ample dialogue and learning from these attendees, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks again.